This one's for the ladies. No, just playing. Fuck them hoes. Yeah. Yeah, they say my circle small, dog, but you don't know the half of it. Talking shit behind my back, I ask them, then they mannequins. But they say, wait, bro, it was just an accident. I make that money rack again, they back again, it's tragic shit. Talking all that shit, dog, you's a fucking grown man. Knock your fucking ass out, pass out. Oh, damn, I ain't never found none. Count money, blowhead, go ahead. Push the whitest, looking like a snowman. I ain't moving bricks, though, yeah, I'm with that shit, though. Burner started smoking off, no, it ain't no mint, though. Smoking out that window, looking like some endo. Yeah, you with your dogs, homie, cause you fucking bitch though. See what I did there? Yeah, you fucking bitch there. With your fucking ass up, you better bring your swimwear. Yeah, you better bring your swimwear. Wait, I don't wanna swim there. Man, y'all faggots overrated. Y'all know nothing about the greatness. Man, you loud mouth on the phone, but person, you ain't say shit. Dudes be fucking like, wait, Mike, you gonna make it, but don't call me till you do, because that cheese that you be making, but man, you got me aggravated, passing major, dodging all these hoes just like a Casamation, passing major, eating on this pussy like this Casamation. Let's just face it, I be doing me just like I'm masturbating, but I just flex up. I be hot dog, so you know I need to catch up. I'll mess up any rapper who be trying to step up. Who next up? Now Nike went and check us. Now bless up by 10 cent shots, so you don't mind the pain. It's like the game, the homies that be talking, but just not your face. I'm underpaid. All these songs I work and I be trying to make. I'm on the chase. Mikey got more verses in the fighting game, but